Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to make social media graphics using Canva. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your browsers and then go to the URL section and type Canva. So here we go. And here I will click on this one. Let me just open the English one. So here we go, and now I think I'm going to change the language from the bottom. Here we go. So English. So now in order for us to create an account and start working in Canva, we need to create an account. So let's click here to log in, continue with Google, and here we are here. Now what I'm going to do is create a design, and here you will find multiple options. You'll find document, whiteboard, Facebook post, Instagram post, Facebook cover, Instagram cover, and so go on. So in this tutorial, we need a social media graphic. So we'll go either with Facebook post, Instagram post, or Facebook cover, or Instagram story. So let's go, for example, with Instagram post. We click on it, and then this page shall load for us. Basically, they will give us multiple options to use. So for example, you can use this template, and you can wait until it loads, and basically what you have to do is you can just wait and like keep editing everything in this image, starting for example from the text, from the background, from this like this small image in here. You can actually add some text to it. You can, for example, some glow, for example, over here if you want, and for example like here tutorial. You can make it as big as possible as you can, and you can make it, for example, let's change the size, so we can make it around something like that. You can change even the color if you wanted to. um yeah, you can change the color from here, for example. Let's make the color around this, glowing somewhere around that. We can, let's make this around for something like this, which will be looking pretty good and decent. You can use whatever products, for example, if you were going to sell products on your Instagram account or graphics, you can add it to here and add it to this picture. You can see the elements that they have. There is multiple elements actually to use, and there is also the premium things that you can actually get, but you'll have to go to try Canva Pro in order to get them. So yeah guys, that's how you can make graphics using Canva. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.